Welcome to another Get Ready Traders live session. I am your host, Luis Rodriguez, and I am excited you're here. Today we are doing live technical analysis and stepping right into the futures market. Whether it's NASDAQ, gold, US30, or even crypto, we will be looking for the best trading opportunities as they set up in real time. If this is your first time here, buckle up. The market moves really fast and we'll be breaking it all down with a clear, efficient approach in 90 minutes or less. Before we get started, do me a huge favor. Hit that like, subscribe, and share this session so other traders like you can join us. I really appreciate your support. All right, the markets are moving, familia, so let's get started and enjoy the session. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Your friend, your educator, Luis Rodriguez, live on Thursday. Ready to make some money and look at trading opportunities, familia. What's going on? Everybody good? Awesome. Alright, I'm gonna keep it quiet for a second. I'm trying to get something going on. While you guys are watching the market, we're gonna be selling the market. As long as this is right, we're selling. Alright. So on a pullback, back to the gamma flip, we're gonna sell. Simple. We're gonna keep it simple. Okay. One contract, two contracts, no more than that. Got the accounts on Lucid. Let's see if we get funded today. You can pass them in one day, right? So we'll try to pass them and see if we can get funded. Just got a 50K account. Let's see how it goes. Not familiar with that broker. I trade a lot. Take profit trader, and we're good there. We gotta diversify. So let's see. Apex accounts. Okay, everything is open. The light is too dim. Let me get some more light. There. Better. Too bright. Let it bounce. I guess that's fine. Alright, so keep it quiet, enjoy the music. What's up, Rachel? Good morning. Sorry for the quietness. I'm just trying to do other stuff at the same time. What is the daily consensus? We're gonna get there soon. I want to do a good TA, but with this tool that I created, it's just very easy to trade now. Instead of going so complex, if we're doing a scalping, you don't need to go so deep into analysis. This is telling you exactly what to do. Red, we're selling. Green, we're buying. That's it. No more guessing. And your stop loss should be this box, the top of this box, in case I decide. And yesterday we got so many good trades, but there was a point that the market flipped, and it happens. That's when you take those stop losses. So all you need to do, put your stop loss above this box. If the market flips, these will turn green, so you'll be looking for buy, right? And the same concept, you buy, your stop loss should be below the box. If this thing goes on a pullback, all you need to do, make sure you go as close as possible to this area so you can have your trades set up here, okay? But it's important to know the market structure, right? So if the market is giving you this right now, which is just falling down, all you need to do is wait for it. As I said, you can add also moving averages to this. The 50 and the 14 are good. And just sell on a pullback. But if the market decides to break it, remember, you can take it stop losses. It's totally fine. Don't be upset. You're not gambling. You're not in a casino. Like, if you lose, it's a bad thing. It's a good thing if you lose because you're protecting your capital. We focus in the trades that give us the big money. So the ones that runs with the money, that's where we go. Okay. So you can lose 200, but then make 600 later. So you make 400. I'm just saying, when you guys give the stop losses short like this, and this is okay. It's 50 points approximately. You guys can see it here. Oh, 70. This time it got a little bit bigger now. 70 points is a lot for a stop loss. So it can, 60, 61. That's decent, especially now on NAS. The market will flow. You need to let the market flow. You get one contract. If you hit the stop losses, because the trade is definitely not for you. Yesterday I got a few trades that the market actually got inside the box, and then just ran down. Like, I think it was somewhere around here. I think it was up here. Yeah, up here was yesterday. The money, yeah, right there in this section. Came inside the box and then just ran down looking non-stop. Those are the trades that you want. Again, this stuff that I put together is really good. It's pretty cool. But this is gonna be automated too. I am doing so much to this stuff. It's crazy. But a big part of it is done. I just need to start pumping this stuff to the VIP site, so you guys start seeing the signals. I'm trying it a lot in manual mode first, and then the signal part. Once all that stuff is set and it's on the VIP, then it's just managing it. I just want to do the analysis for swing trading more than it. I want to get out of scalping as much as I can, and let this automation and all this stuff doing it for us, and I just have to manage it, see it, execute it, and just do the technical analysis of weather forecasting, all that stuff in the swing trade, because again, this is really good for options. Really good for options. Like scalping is a no go in options. we'll see, familia. We'll see. So how's everything, familia? Again, it's pretty easy to the downside. No more guessing. Let me clear some of this stuff. Let me quickly do an analysis here. This is yesterday. Redo some of this stuff. And let's do this. Okay, 1 hour. Just correcting. Wow. This is such a mess. Such a mess. He's doing a correction now after this Elliott wave 5, obviously zigzag. So it's doing an Elliott wave 1 pushing down. It's gonna come to a hard stop. This is a 4. That's it. Right here. Ooh. It's almost there for a good reversal. Pushing the market up. 38% for a zigzag. Not bad. But if this continue pushing down, I want to highlight those levels for you guys. Like here. And here. Before doing it. Okay. Alright. I'm looking at the market of the 1 hour. Let me bring some of my stuff here. One second. Bring in this. I want to bring in. Too many. Let me remove some of this stuff. Yep, August. That's good enough. Let's configure this. I wanted to bring this a little bit. Okay, right there. Perfect. And I want to turn off this. Let's see it. That's what I want to see. Just want to see the last 24 hours. Too many lines. That's what I want you guys to see. The sessions. And now I can turn off a few things. There you go. More clear. That's what I want you guys to see, how crazy this is expanding from Asia to London and New York. It's coming soon, the next 16 minutes. coming down hard. It's coming down really hard. Okay, we gotta wait for some data here. Unbelievable. The market is just coming down hard. Really hard. Okay, let's go with the gamma. We're selling. It's too simple. We know it's doing a correction, right? I highlighted the levels because it's gonna do first a 6-hour. So as long as it's coming down, you guys will see reactions to these levels that I highlighted to the upside. Okay. Liquidity is sitting on the top, but right now the market is just correcting. Not sure it's gonna need fuel right now. What I call fuel, but it's really just transactions. So let's wait for me though, right? It was market came too overbought from Tuesday. This was just ridiculous. So it needs to correct itself to balance things out a little bit. Question is how far it's gonna go before. This is the 50%. So we are still on the premium area. So let's wait, okay? Any questions in the chat? I'm probably gonna wait for the market to crash and then buy slowly. I want to pass this account. It's a 50. Ooh. Okay. Wow, that's crazy. All my numbers went up off the screen and now came back. Right. Okay. Just looking at more data here. Let's wait a minute. Looks like it's probably gonna. We got 10 minutes. It's a pretty crazy pullback there. Just consolidating. If you see SB 500 is heavily consolidated. All right, familia. Any questions? Any questions? I'm gonna keep it quiet for a little bit because I need to concentrate. All right. With this, we're simplifying things quite a lot. So we're selling until the market is not in a sell mode anymore. If it flips, this is the flip, okay? Whatever we do, make sure that our stop loss is above these blocks and aim like this. And be okay with this thing flipping, because if it turns green, then if this thing turns green, then we're buying and doing the opposite, putting the stop loss below this, and that's it. One contract, let the market flow, and so the losses are not too crazy, and you guys will see how we do across the day. Just following what I told you. Take a few stop losses, and if the market flips, go with it, with the color. Okay, green you buy, red you sell. The other one I'm looking at it closely is this here. Very closely. Good morning, listen. Good morning. Just keeping it quiet a little bit. Oof. Market, it wants to keep pushing low. Ooh, you. Yes. 6 minutes. 6 minutes, a minute. But it's coming to key point number 1. So we might see a reversal from here. Little bit of a pullback. Let's see. Yes, aggressive sellers are in-house. You go to the 15 minutes. I want to keep selling. Keep selling. Aggressive sellers are in-house. Wait. $5. This P500 is in a point that wants to break that. What a fight. Oof. Oof, spiking down. Oh, joy. Matter of fact, it's just one contract, okay? Don't go crazy. Just one contract. We got 3 minutes. It's gonna be one of those days today. My goodness. What's up, Judge? What's up, brother? It's gonna be one of those days. Again, very easy. Red we sell, green we buy. No more guessing. I'm doing quite a lot of calculations on this. I'm taking data from options, calculating the gamma and knowing where things are. It's all about the liquidity for me. We all know that. But this is calculating a lot of things that are happening in the options world. Is what we call the momentum in futures. The momentum in the options world is happening to the downside right now. But market makers, they need to balance this out. Oof. Oof. Oh my god, sorry. Market just open, and yes, it's spiking, moving all over the place. Yeah, let's see how crazy this pullback will be and for us to get in. Let me open this up a little bit more so you guys can see. Let's go. Market open. Wow. Yeah,
Jesus, I'm missing it. It's coming down, as I said, but I'm missing this out. I need to see a pullback. It's just it hasn't. The market have not done any pullbacks, and I don't want to get into a bad trade. So here's a pretty good area to get in. Trading my Lucid account, a 50K account. First time getting into Lucid. Let's see. So I got Apex, Take Profit Trader, and Lucid. Yeah, it's coming down. Jesus, it's not in. If he goes. I'm not in because the market didn't do any pullback. So thing is, you can sell that if you want, but if you do, then you're hooked into position that it can pull back hard. Rather wait, not desperate. I don't want to get into a bad trade. But it's getting too far away from the box, so it's pretty mature already. Next area probably here, but man, I'm missing out all this. I mean, you can jump into the sell this trade, but the problem is the stop loss is too wide. Falling like a hot potato. Sayonara. Bye bye. That could be a good trade if I took it, but I didn't. I was not there. That's, oh my god, 121 points. Oh god. I missed that out. It's okay. It happens. But you guys see like how this works, right? You guys understand now how easy it is now to know where the market is going with the newest edition. I will make it available for everyone. There you go. There you go, go. Coming back a little bit slower. Ay, ay, ay. Buyers need to do something about this. It's a beautiful day today. I think I'm gonna go out later on for a little walk. He's fully recovered. Whoa. That's why you guys have to be careful, because you're like, oh, the price came for me. It's not coming for you. Probably just doing what it's supposed to do. A little bit of manipulation and then completely flip into the upside. That's where a lot of people get engaged into bad trades. They're like, oh yeah, it's coming for me, so I can sell again. Then boom. Baby trap. Let the market give you, let's give us a little bit of better structure. Because the market was very oversold. Asia and London, and never ever came back up. So we tap on London. Let's see, London low. Looks like a little bit of manipulation there. Very good. Very good. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Come on, buyers. Keep pushing. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Keep pushing, 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 pushing. Let's pass some accounts and get funded on Lucid. I'm up by 1,029 bucks. So I guess I need 2,000. I can pass them in one day, get funded in one day. They give you the certificate right away. I got the pro accounts. Okay, it's coming. Wow, buyers finally doing something. Buyers finally being buyers. Okay, keep pushing a little bit more. A little bit more, just for me. Come on, baby. They don't want to. Come on, I'm gonna get in soon. I will get in soon. Soon. I just want a little bit of a push to the upside. Then I'll get it. Okay, almost there. Almost there. Oh man. I'm gonna take sell. Come on, I just need a little bit of a push. A little bit. Just a little bit. You're almost there. Look, my entry it was by a hair. It's almost there. Almost there. I hope it doesn't leave me again. Okay, it's gonna leave me again. Seriously. Murphy's Law. God. Come on, buyers. I cannot believe this. No. Are you serious? Scalping, my friends. Scalping and scalping and scalping. Well, anybody saw it with me? I didn't. I'll wait. So, final. They're listening. Somebody on the other side are listening. They're like, no, let's not leave Louis behind. Let's not leave Louis behind. Not today. Not today. Not today. Let's go. Yes. Not today. They're not leaving Luisito behind. Okay. I'm gonna get in there a little bit. Just a little bit. There you go. On my entry. execution. Okay. Now let's see. So the box is stop loss. From that point, the market should move to where how we again, we are in the red. We are selling until this flips, and I am okay taking this stop loss. I am okay taking that as stop loss, just in case that the market decides to go inside and flip things up. They have a big battle there. It looks like it wants to flip. I'm not sure. Just that London and Asia last night were like completely bullish. New York has to do something about it. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Profits, finally. 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 It's 200 bucks. Not bad. It's gonna kick me out. Oh boy. It kicked me out. Because I did quick trailing stop on this, so it just kicked me out. But I lock in 200 bucks, so that's good. Let's wait again. I'm gonna get into a better position. Buyers seems to be pretty hot, and but it's strange. We are in a seller's world. Apparently they are dominating, but I don't see that. Keep it as close as possible to the box, but that is your stop loss. You don't do anything else. In case of the market flip, then boom, you're out, and then you're buying. But this needs to turn green, okay? I'm out of this trade. The market just took me out because it went down, did some profit, trailing stop activated, and poof. When it went back up, it took me out. I'm using the ATMs for market opening, so it's pretty quick, automatic. It's just one account, not because I'm trying this broker for the first time. I'm not buying a lot of accounts. But just be careful because this can flip, okay? It's a really good opportunity to sell. It's there already. It is in the box. Buyers are in total control. But look at this. Okay, I got into a sell again. Obviously my stop loss is on top of the box just in case that the market decide to break this spell of pushing the market down. Let's see. All right, back in profits. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, let's go. Oh, not too much. Okay. Over to the 5-minute time frame so you guys can see what I see on the other side. There you go. Now we're talking. Now we are talking. Let's see for how long we're gonna be talking. I need to see sellers kicking in again. But if they come and break this whole entire trend is gonna go to the oof. Jesus Christ. It's getting inside the box again. Looks like they want to flip this whole thing. Oh yes. That's what it looks like. Jesus. Not today, Luisito, not today. It's inside the box. Yep. Let's see if we're gonna get a gamma flip, but or not. 0% right now. It's unbelievable. I will be okay taking a stop loss. Just in case. But then I'll wait for the confirmation. The buyers will be dominating and buy into the market. This needs to turn green. Oh yeah. It's frozen. If it catches the stop losses here, it's gonna go like up and get everybody up. And get everybody up. Positive gamma already flipped. Positive gamma. Move. It's in the middle point. It's gonna be switching back and forward. Yikes. I took another sell there with one lot right on the spot. So I'm running 2 lots, 2 contracts. That's the last one, and a stop loss, obviously, where it's what I mentioned, in case I decide to push up and break this entire thing, and that's it. Man, that was so nice. I was up by $200. Now I'm not up by 200 bucks. Okay, it's flipping. It is flipping. Let's see if it's gonna hold it or not. Let's see if it's gonna hold it or not. Okay, come on. Take me out or do something. Just don't stay there. think I'm gonna cry if you take me out? No, celebrate it too. Come on, market. Do what you gotta do. Coming down. Let's see if I want to get out of this buzz. Like, oh boy. I took a second trade right on the line in case it pushes down. I'll be closer to profits, but if not, I'll have a bigger loss. That's all. Yeah, it's not. Oh man. It's fighting it. But buyers are still in control. Oh my goodness. Are you serious? Oh yeah, don't forget to hit that like button or subscribe if you're not in. Well, it's coming down. My goodness, I cannot believe this. So I am in profits. Jesus. Not anymore. Not anymore. Buyers are in control. Not anymore. I spoke too early. Spoke too early. Maybe not. Back in profits? What? No way. No way, Jose. Wow. Wow. Really? No way. What? Oh boy. Well, I guess I'm in profits. Not anymore. You know what? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna flip this because I think buyers are probably gonna keep adding. Oof, I'm in profits. Are you serious? Let's go. Finally. Okay, I'm gonna secure something here. All right, oof. I secured something on that little drop because of the second entry I got. What a battle, my friends. It's crazy, Familia. What I'm seeing, I'm gonna go into the 1 minute time frame so you guys understand. Look at that. Right on the box. It's fighting it. It's the gamma flip. Good thing I got profits and got out of that. So I got in here. That's what I got in, right? And again, I got in here on the very top, and when that dropped, I put me in profits. But he's fighting it like, I have a feeling it's gonna now drop. It's now in a negative gamma again. You see how it went like green and then red again? It's gonna be switching back and forward. This is the dangerous part. It's literally right on the box for me. You see how cool this is stuff when you calculate this information? How the market just like react to those areas. It's fighting it there. Buyers, sellers, buyers, sellers, buyers, sellers. They don't know. They don't know where things are going to go. So this is an area where the market can go to the upside or the downside. One of the two sides. Look at that. You see what I'm talking about? How it's like switching from green to red. Now it's switching to green again. And this thing just, it's a big battle. That's why my mind is just going all over the place. I just can't believe what is happening. It's really cool when you know how the market works and you can build really cool tools and just let it flow. Big battle, though. Big battle. Big. Let's see who's gonna win this battle. I got out. I got out. I got a little bit of profits and got out. No, it was not a good trade to get into that battle. So you have to just wait until they take. A good thing to do is just highlight the low point and the high point of this battle. When it breaks either to the downside or the upside, you go with it. The bot wouldn't be taking anything here. Or the automation. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. Again, going green, red, green. Oh man. Good thing I got out. Buyer seems to be in control. What it will do is just form a little flag, and that flag will tell you where the market is going. So this. I can turn this off a little bit until it gets out of it. There you go. It looks like a continuation flag. It's probably gonna keep pushing to the upside. There you go. Oh, holy shit. Gotta wait. Okay. All right. It looks like it's gonna be a continuation for. I'm not sure. Back into consolidation, maybe. That's crazy. He went right into the gamma and just stopped there. Look, it's like right on the box. Jesus, something is up with him. It's just right on the box. Break to the downside, you sell. Break to the upside, you buy. That's it. See in the higher time frames, what I said, like it happened yesterday. He went right inside the box and then it just took off. I will wait. I will wait. No rush. Big bottom in the air. You know what? This market is really not doing anything. Not right now. I think I want to wait for another session because it's not what I see. I don't like. I want to see the market break into the upside or the downside. Yeah, look at that. It's flipping. It's just playing inside this. So to count even what kind of things are happening inside this triangle, you got to go into a much lower time frame. Can't even count this. Do a triangle and see what area break. Look, it just went to the bottom again, poof to the upside. It's really not doing much. I think I'll catch another session because this session so it's bad so far. All right, Fameda. If you guys don't have any questions, I will connect with you guys later on. Okay? Because just I'm gonna let it be. I'm just wasting time here. Okay? Catch you guys later. God bless everyone. Take care.
Goodbye.